is changing your perspective of the progress that you've made. You do a hiking trail and you're going up a mountain, but you're like in the woods, so you don't really know how far you've gone until you get into an opening and you look back and you can see how far you've traveled. And I don't know if we give ourselves enough credit for the distance that we've traveled.
I don't think we do that enough. And because in my renovation story, well, oh my goodness, we've achieved half of the rest of the house. So that's pretty darn good. We forget those things that are now actually achieved.
I think people want to see that nice straight line progression from what they want to where they want to be. So I get there. But
Yeah,
and if you've ever seen one of those little diagrams of like the path you have to travel, it's never a straight line.
you know, um, 3 years ago, our house didn't have one little bit of new paint on it. And now it's over half done.